We're back! Jarrod Tocci videos, we're back!
Wow. Thanks, buddy.
Be careful what you wish for, because if you want to be a YouTuber and you want to do stuff like this is the stuff you gotta do. Not many people can do what I do, but I love it. What's going on, everybody? As you can see, I am not in a shop. I am not in my living quarters where I'm temporarily staying. I am not in a van. I am not in an electric vehicle. I am in a freaking hotel. Somebody commented recently and they actually said that they would like to see me out in nature more. They'd like to see me kind of enjoying the lifestyle that I promote so much. I would love to do that. However, I will say this, that I do take those days, but I typically don't really video them. If I go out in nature, if I go camping with friends, or if I take Glacier out, I don't typically vlog them because I only vlog on the things that I am proficient at. You know, the building or the knowledge that I have in the tiny space living, whether it's vans or expedition trucks or overlanding or tiny house now. That's the stuff that I vlog about, design and all that good stuff. Sometimes I do what, like today's video is kind of like a day in the life. Those are like my adventures, and I'm picking up a van in San Diego and I'm driving it to the San Jose or Pleasanton, California, and I'm camping for the weekend at Tiny Fest, you know, festival. There's vans, there's tiny houses, there's overlanding rigs. That is my vacation. That is what I love to do, as well as the building stuff that I do and all that other stuff. You know, that's like my therapy. This kind of stuff is my therapy. Everybody is a little different, and that's fine. Some people's therapy is to go out in the wilderness and just, you know, meditate. And that's totally fine. I'm not saying that that is a bad thing. That is a great thing, actually. I have learned over the years, my travels and my own type of self-caring, what fuels me. On my channel, I've always talked about, I try to inspire or motivate the unmotivated or the uninspired. Get you to wherever that place is. I would love for you to find whatever motivates you in life, whether that is building out a van and living in the woods or living by the beach. That's totally fine. I want to help you and motivate you to get you there. Or if it's going to school for 8 years and becoming a doctor and saving lives, fine. Whatever it is, I want you to go out there and do it and pursue it. If you want to be an entrepreneur, let's talk about entrepreneurship. If you want to write a book, there are so many things that I want to try and inspire those people. I guess that's what my rant here at the beginning is all about. But right now I am in a hotel. I flew into San Diego last night. I meant to actually start this vlog while I was on the airplane, but I took a evening flight last night from Boston to San Diego, and I'm picking up a van at VanCraft, which is a phenomenal company, and I've been friends with the owner since I've been in this industry, because I pretty much started my van life journey here in San Diego because my brother lived here, and he was the first person that showed me a video way back in 2016, I believe. It was either 15 or 16, showed me a video of a girl living out of her van, solo traveling, photographer, amazing. This is just the things that I love to do, guys. I'm trying to tell you that. Taking a small break from building out the tiny house, which is a much needed break. So I advise anybody that is out there building their vans or their tiny houses or their expedition trucks or whatever the heck you're building, sometimes it's a good thing to just take a break for 4 or 5 days to get away. All right, guys, I just got down to VanCraft and I watched a 7-minute give or take video on properly renting the VanCraft vans. I have a busy day in front of me, so I got a lot of stuff I gotta do, and I'm gonna see how many things I can get done before I head on up north to Tiny Fest. Got a shout out to this man right here. This guy is doing like 4 jobs in one. He's amazing. Or hit up VanCraft in general, especially if they've come such a long way in the many years that I've known this company. And I am thoroughly impressed that they're doing amazing things. But this is just their rental facility. They have a whole van building other thingamajiggy going for clients as well. They're not paying me, by the way. I got a free rental, but they're not paying me. I need to state that. I'm not getting paid. Their vans are really awesome, actually. I like them a lot. But my goodness, right now I have to go and meet up with somebody to do a van tour, and then I've got to go to a shop to do their tour, hopefully another van tour, and then I got to head up to LA. So be careful what you wish for, because if you want to be a YouTuber and you want to do stuff like this is the stuff you got to do. Not many people can do what I do, but I love it. I always find it interesting when I go to do tours, people want to have these like really beautiful scenic views, which is where we are, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I think people want to see the vans. I don't really care about the scenic views. We do. Hopefully the wind from the ocean isn't that bad for my mic. We'll see what happens in this tour, but stay tuned for a tour coming up on this rig right here. Rented the van, doing first tour, see what else I can get done. All right guys, location number 2. You may remember this guy, Brandon Buck SD, does another van, and he wants my reaction on camera.
Yeah, you haven't seen this one yet.
I haven't seen it. You guys want to get should we give them a quick peek?
Sure.
The vlog's gonna come up before your tour.
Sure.
Okay, you guys are getting a sneak peek before the actual tour happens. What? This is nice. Look how clean this is. No more white, he says. Holy Christmas, guy.
Kind of the biggest addition is what's right behind you, which hopefully you couldn't even tell from outside.
I couldn't tell.
So,
Look at that. All right, guys, we're gonna get a full tour of this. This is nice in here. This is nice.
yeah,
Like cool.
it's 12,000 BTU.
We're gonna get into all that in this video coming up soon with Brandon. You guys will see all this. Is super modern. I'm standing on his brand new rug. I feel bad.
We're back. Jarrod Tocci videos, we're back.
Wow. Thanks, buddy. During the stop here, I wanted to just come and say hi to my boy Keon, obviously. My dude right here. And we're gonna go see Lindsay here in a second. We're at a makerspace, right?
Makerspace.
In LA, in San Diego.
San Diego, yeah.
Can we step in the van?
Yeah, sure.
He's in the process of making this gem. I just want to say something real quick that
It's messy.
I know it's supposed to be messy. You're building a van, bro.
I got PB&J on top of the refrigerator.
That's okay.
Okay.
Keon flipped the script on everybody. First of all, he's got a Murphy bed right here. The sliding doors right here. But this dude put a U-shaped kitchen galley? Is that right?
Kitchen, yeah. It's gonna be a U-shaped kitchen top. Well, kitchen, you step in.
In the back of the van.
Yep. So you'll have kitchen space, countertop on all sides of you. So plenty of cooking, plenty of space to use any of your appliances.
He's using that head of his. That's nice. I like interesting layouts. I like interesting guys.
Yeah.
I like this.
Interesting. Is that what you call it?
Yeah, interesting, man. I mean, they were fun.
Yeah.
Interesting is not a bad thing, I don't think.
Wait, is this going on your YouTube?
Yeah, it's going to
Wait, to all the people who was like, I'm so inspired. Did you guys do anything to, you know, further your process in getting your van? I want to know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know, because there were so many people messaging me like, hey, I'm so inspired. I want to get my van. Did any of you get your van yet? Or did any of you look up or how to build a van or when to get a van? I want to know.
This guy's an inspiring guy, though.
Yeah, let's go.
You're inspired. Let's go. He said, let's go.
I don't want to hear it all in the comments. Like, I want to live the van life. Come join us. It's open. It's a free world. We're waiting for you.
Can they come and join you out here in San Diego?
They sure can.
Okay.
I ain't going to tell you exactly where I'm at, but...
Or if you want to join the van life, but you want to maybe not want to do all the work, why don't you just buy Keon's van? There it is.
Oh yeah, it is. It's for sale today.
Today, right now.
Yep.
Contact him.
Yeah, hit me up on Instagram. I changed my Instagram.
On my vlogs, I normally don't put Instagrams. But you know what? Today I'm going to put Keon's Instagram handle in my vlog.
Can I point to it?
Yeah, you can point to it.
It's going to be right here.
It's right there. And what did you change it to?
It's Keon Tillman now.
Keon Tillman.
So now I'm more professional.
Exactly, because it's your name.
Yeah, but if you want to know how to spell it, it's right. Ta-da!
It's right there, everybody. It's one of my favorite people in van life. Hands down, there's no questions about it. Let's go check out. Let's go and check out Lindsay real quick. Lindsay, do you want to be on camera? Because you were saying,
I'm too gross to be on camera. You guys may remember this van from my tours. Boom, this was Beau the van. Beau spelled B-E-A-U. Because it's Beau beautiful. See what I did there? What up, Lindsay? Lindsay, you got a mess, girl.
Yeah, always.
I heard you got an offer on this van.
I did.
Did you take it?
I did not.
Okay. You want a little bit more money?
Yes.
Because it's worth it.
I would think so.
You got a new tat?
Yes, I got some new tats.
Oh, wow.
Trying to keep them clean.
Okay.
But
From all the sawdust that you got all over you as well?
yeah, well, projects.
Lindsay is a now on Gutted.
I am.
Gutted season 2. So if you want to watch more of Lindsay, please go to Gutted. Or come out to Gutted, I should
Yes.
say. Because we're going to be out there. I'm going to be there as well. Boom. You got anything going on in Anastasia?
A mess.
Oh, okay.
Do you think that's a mess? Anastasia is a storage unit / sleeping quarters at the moment.
Anastasia is her other van that she's building out. And she's selling Beau the van.
Yes.
And Anastasia is her next project that I can't even see your floor.
I mean, I'll give you like a little like peekaboo, but
What did you do in the floor that I actually like?
I poured a black concrete floor.
Poured a black concrete floor.
It's pretty dope. I mean, I'll give you a little peek.
Do you want to give YouTube a peek?
No judging here.
Projects everywhere, no judging, she says. Well, in fairness to Lindsay, she did just take a cross-country road trip and back within a week.
I went there for a week and a half, but I drove back in 2 days.
Got
And
it.
I just got back last night.
So there's your black concrete floor.
And you can
That's
see
pretty
it's
cool.
not that thick. We have like maybe a 1/4 inch because there's a 1/2 inch ply under here.
What was the reasoning behind a black concrete floor?
In this van, I want everything to be black and sleek and modern. And I don't like vinyl plank because it scratches up. So
Cool.
my hopes is the concrete's gonna hold up and nobody's ever done it before. So we'll see what happens.
It
If
hasn't
works
cracked
or
on you
doesn't.
yet.
Not yet.
And you've driven it quite a bit. All right, guys, I'm gonna go hang out with my friends before I head up north to LA to go stay the night at a friend's house. I didn't get to see everybody I wanted to see while I was down here, but that's the nature of the business, guys, and I can only do so much. This is why I'm not the biggest fan of the Southern California area. Because we sit in traffic like this all the live long day. It's all good. It's all good. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's actually almost afternoon. It actually might be after afternoon, but it is what it is. I am headed up to Pleasanton, which is where Tiny Fest is. I was just met with my boy AJ. I didn't put him on camera, but I should have, because he is one of my major inspirations. It's his birthday today, and that's one of the reasons why I came to see him. But the other reason is because I'm going through the LA area, and he lives here. He's one of my friends that blood wouldn't bring us any closer. I'll put it that way. So it's good to see you, buddy. And now I am going to head up to Pleasanton so I can check in to the Tiny Fest show. Here we go. I am exhausted, but we got here. I was going to stop the vlog pretty much here and be at Tiny Fest and be present, but I think I'm just going to do a little bit here at Tiny Fest. I'm going to try and do a walk around. I hit massive amounts of traffic. It would normally take me about 5 to 5.5 hours from where I was in Los Angeles. It took me over 7. Yeah, thanks a lot, LA. Not a day in the life, but like more like 3 days in the life. Spend the next few days here. I'm gonna get a lot of tours in. I got my second camera right down here where I'm gonna get some tours in.
is the end of the festival. I know I didn't really show anything at the festival, and I always apologize every time I don't show anything at the festival, but it is very hard to show during the festival hours because there's live music going on, there's a lot of people, there's a lot of questions, and I want to try and give as much attention to the people that have paid to be here, to ask questions or whatever it is, as much attention as possible. Tiny Fest has another one, which is rare for a festival to happen during the winter, but they have another one coming up in Phoenix in December. I've told a lot of people that I'm going to be at Gutted, which is the shirt right here, for season 2, which is happening in October. It's October 4th through the 9th, and it was just announced on Instagram today. I am a judge on season 2. Amazing honor to be invited back as a judge, and I'm super excited to critique and judge all of the new competitors for season 2. If you want to come and check out Gutted, that is another festival. It's an event. There's going to be music, there's going to be seminars, there's going to be workshops, and best of all, you can actually watch the teams build their rigs live and then see me and the other 2 judges announce the winner on the last day, which is going to be exciting. The entire thing is filmed, the entire thing is streamed online, so make sure that you go and download that Blank Space app, watch season 1 because I was on it, I was a competitor on the van team. And then after that, like I said, Tiny Fest is going to be in Phoenix, Arizona in December. I think I'm going to fly out for that one. I can tell my lights are flickering like crazy back here. I just fixed the lighting because I just turned it up. It's on a nice little dimmer. Lastly, thank you to VanCraft. It's kind of a mess right now, sorry. But thank you to VanCraft for allowing me to have this camper for the weekend, for me to able to park on site, enjoy the festivities. So big shout out to VanCraft out of San Diego. If you're interested about renting a VanCraft van or even buying a VanCraft van, go check out their website. So I need to get back to Boston. I gotta go back to San Diego, fly back to Boston. Importantly, I gotta see my puppy Glacier. I miss her dearly. And then I need to get back to work on the tiny house so I can move it onto a piece of land and work on my shop space so I can have more fun with everybody. See you later.
I could conquer the night if I can make it.